Oh, look at that, guys. Doesn't that kind of look like it belongs somewhere? So we got water, flower, sun. Water, flower. I said, get behind down here. Sun. And then she grabbed the freaking toothpaste, but it's moonflower. Moonflower. Okay. Was something supposed to... Corey, go ahead and add the sound effect.
Hi, I'm Amanda. Isn't it nice to be
And I'm Wooly.
Where you been at?
Hi, I'm... No, I don't want you here. Don't you get that?
But Amanda, I'm your best friend.
What did he do?
My best friend? All you do is get up. Hi.
Who's talking?